Ever wondered how to craft a spectacular fruit cup ice cream that's sure to impress? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey that will tickle your senses. Imagine a symphony of fresh, juicy fruits, creamy ice cream, and crunchy toppings, all harmoniously combined in a single cup. This isn't just a dessert, it's a celebration of flavors that you can almost taste through the screen. Stay tuned to discover this delightful dessert that's a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. To whip up this icy delight, you'll need some specific ingredients. First off, gather a variety of fresh fruits. We're talking vibrant strawberries, juicy oranges, sweet bananas, and tangy kiwis. These fruits will form the heart of our fruit cup, providing a burst of natural sweetness and a rainbow of colors. Next, you'll need some creamy vanilla ice cream. This will serve as the cool, smooth base for our fruit cup ice cream. It's the perfect canvas to let our fruit shine, while adding a velvety richness that's just irresistible. Don't forget the whipped cream. This light and fluffy topping is the cherry on top, adding a delightful contrast to the dense ice cream and fresh fruits. Now, for a hint of indulgence, we'll drizzle some chocolate syrup. This sweet and slightly bitter concoction will tie all the flavors together. Lastly, sprinkle some nuts for a surprise crunch. They add a satisfying texture and a nutty flavor that complements the fruits beautifully. Now that you have all these in your kitchen, you're all set to make some magic happen. Scene script. Ready to assemble this stunning dessert? Here we go. First, let's get our fruits ready. Choose your favorite seasonal fruits, wash them thoroughly, and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Berries, kiwi, mango, peaches, or even grapes would work wonderfully. The key is to ensure a vibrant mix of colors and flavors. Next, it's time to layer our creation. Grab your favorite cup or glass. First, place a scoop of your preferred ice cream at the bottom. Vanilla or berry flavors work best as they complement the fruits beautifully. Now, layer some of your chopped fruits on top of the ice cream. Repeat these steps, alternating between ice cream and fruit until your cup is almost filled to the brim. Now, for the final and most exciting part, the garnishing. Top your fruit cup ice cream with a generous swirl of whipped cream. It adds a lovely creaminess that contrasts with the freshness of the fruits. Drizzle some chocolate syrup over the whipped cream for that extra touch of decadence. And to add a bit of crunch and nuttiness, sprinkle some crushed nuts like almonds or pistachios over the top. Feel free to get creative here, maybe add some colorful sprinkles or even a cherry on top for that classic ice cream sundae look. And there you have it, a spectacular fruit cup ice cream that looks as fantastic as it tastes. Creating this eye-catching dessert isn't as hard as it looks, right? We've journeyed through the exciting process of creating our very own fruit cup ice cream spectacular, breaking it down into manageable steps. We started by gathering our fresh, vibrant fruits and our favorite ice cream. Then we went to town, layering and building up our cups to create a dessert that's not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. Remember, the beauty of this dessert lies in its simplicity and versatility. You're the artist here. Feel free to swap in your preferred fruits, play around with different ice cream flavors, or even sprinkle on some unexpected toppings. The only limit is your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? The kitchen is your canvas, and the fruit cup ice cream is your masterpiece waiting to happen. Now it's your turn to try making this at home. Don't forget to share your spectacular fruit cup ice cream experiences with us.